Hello everyone, your homeboy George here. Greetings all the way from El Caribe Mexicano. This is Cancun, guys. I know you already recognize the beach. I know a lot of you already recognize the hotel. Oh yes, this is Rio Palace Las Americas, and look how beautiful the beach is looking today. I'm gonna go ahead and I found these guys. These guys are from Canada and they're enjoying their beach.
Hi, George.
How do you guys like the day today?
It's a nice day.
All right, well,
the best. You're the best.
thank you guys. Enjoy your vacations. All right, so I found these guys here in the beach. We're talking about a little bit about fishes that we see down here when it comes to diving. They're cool people. They're from Canada, and there's a lot of people from Canada, well, from all over the world. Everybody's trying to visit the Caribe Mexicano, and these guys don't know Isla Mujeres, so I was telling them, you guys need to go over there. They have no idea what Punta Sur is at Isla Mujeres, and I was telling them, you know, you guys need to make sure you guys go over there because of the beauty. If you know Isla, you already know what I'm talking about. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and go for a beach walk. I'm not gonna talk a lot. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the view. I actually do most of my videos in Spanish because, to be honest with you guys, well, I see more interaction with the Spanish community out here in YouTube. That's why I decided to make most of my videos in Spanish, because there's a lot of people commenting in Spanish, but I do see a lot of people from other countries, English spoken countries. I see a lot of views from those countries, and well, I don't see you guys interacting or asking or whatever. I'm guessing you guys have no questions, and I'm glad to know that. But if you guys do, you guys can always leave a comment. You guys can always ask a question. Tell me if you need more content in English. Tell me what is it that you guys like to watch when it comes to videos. I'll be more than happy to help.